Welcome to today's English conversation practice. In this episode, you'll hear natural, real-life dialogues on everyday topics. No storytelling, just real English, real topics, and practical speaking examples to help you improve your listening, speaking, and fluency. Let's begin. Topic 1. Village life versus city life.
Hey, Anna, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's up?
Do you prefer village life or city life?
Good question. Honestly, I think I prefer village life. It's quieter, more peaceful, and people seem friendlier. What about you?
I've lived in both. I like city life because everything is convenient. Transport, shops, jobs. But sometimes I miss the slower pace of the village.
Exactly. In the village, people take time to talk. You know your neighbors. In the city, everyone is always rushing.
True. But in the city, there are more opportunities. Better education, more jobs, entertainment.
That's a good point. I guess it depends on your lifestyle.
Here's some vocabulary. Peaceful means calm, quiet. Opportunities means chances to do something good, and lifestyle is the way you live. Topic 2. Getting a pet.
Hey, Mia, I'm thinking of getting a pet. What do you think?
A pet? Like a cat or a dog?
Probably a dog. I want a friendly one.
Dogs are amazing, but they're also a lot of work. Do you have time to take care of one?
I think so. I work from home, so I'm flexible.
That's good. Just remember, dogs need exercise, training, and attention.
I know. I think it'll be good for me. Maybe I'll get outside more.
Then go for it. But maybe start with a small dog.
Here's some useful phrases. Take care of means look after. Flexible schedule means you can choose your working hours. And go for it means try it, give it a shot. Topic 3. Breakups and support.
Hey, Anna.
Hey, you okay? You don't look so good.
Not really. I just broke up with my girlfriend.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. What happened?
She cheated on me. I didn't see it coming.
That's awful. You must feel terrible.
I don't even know what to do. I feel so lost.
It's okay to feel that way. Breakups hurt, but they don't last forever.
I just need time.
Exactly. Focus on yourself. Spend time with friends, talk to people.
Thanks for being here.
Always. You'll get through this.
Here are some common expressions. Break up means end a relationship. Didn't see it coming means it was a surprise. And get through this means survive it, recover from it. Topic 4. Healthy lifestyle habits.
Hey, Leo, you've lost weight.
Yeah, I've been eating healthier and walking every day.
That's amazing. What's your secret?
No secret, just more vegetables, less sugar, and I try to walk 10,000 steps a day.
Wow. I wish I could stay that consistent.
It's not easy, but I feel better. More energy, better sleep.
I really want to start too. Any tips?
Start small. Replace one unhealthy habit at a time.
Here's some useful phrases. Consistent means doing the same thing regularly. Replace a habit means change one habit for another. And more energy means feel less tired. Topic 5. Making friends in a new place.
Hey, are you new to this gym?
Yeah, I just moved here last week.
Welcome. How do you like the area?
It's nice, but I don't really know anyone yet.
It takes time. when I moved here, I joined a hiking group. That helped.
That's a good idea. I love hiking.
You'll meet people. Just be open. Say hello. Start small conversations.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem. Want to join us for coffee after class?
Sure, that sounds great.
Here's real English. I just moved here means I recently came to live here. Start small conversations means begin friendly talks. Be open means be friendly and ready to talk. Topic 6. Going to a restaurant.
Good evening. How many people?
Just 2, please.
Would you like a booth or a table by the window?
Window, please.
Here's your menu. Can I get you something to drink?
I'll have sparkling water.
Just tap water for me, thanks.
Are you ready to order?
I'll try the grilled chicken salad.
And I'll have the pasta with mushrooms.
Great choice. It'll be ready shortly.
Here are some useful vocabulary. A booth means a private seat in a restaurant. Tap water means normal water from the sink. And ready to order means prepared to choose your food. Topic 7. Shopping for clothes.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a black jacket.
What size do you need?
Medium, I think.
This one is popular. Want to try it on?
Sure. Is there a fitting room?
Right over there. Let me know if you need another size.
I love it. How much is it?
It's $79.99.
Great. I'll take it.
Here are real-life phrases. Try it on means wear it to see if it fits. Fitting room means changing room. And I'll take it means I want to buy it. Topic 8. Talking about weather.
It's so hot today.
I know. I feel like I'm melting.
I checked. It's 38 degrees.
No wonder. I'm staying indoors with the AC.
I wish I had a pool.
Or at least a fan.
The weather this summer has been extreme.
Yeah. 1 week rain, the next week a heat wave.
Welcome to global warming.
Here are some casual phrases. I feel like I'm melting means very hot. Extreme weather means very intense weather. And heat wave means several very hot days in a row. Bonus topic. Talking about English practice.
I've been practicing English every day.
Really? What do you do?
I listen to podcasts, watch short English videos, and I speak to myself in English.
You speak to yourself?
Yeah, like when I'm cooking, I describe what I'm doing.
That's clever.
Also, I record my voice and listen. I notice my mistakes and try again.
I like that idea. Maybe I'll try it too.
It helps a lot with confidence.
Here's a fluency tip. Speak aloud, repeat natural phrases, don't worry about mistakes. Keep going. Wrap up. Today, we practiced real English conversations, from relationships and restaurants to pets and weather. These topics are part of daily life. The more you listen and repeat them, the more confident you'll become. Now, it's your turn. What was your favorite conversation today? Which topic do you want us to cover next? Comment and let us know. And remember, speak English every day, even just a little. Repeat, record, review. You're improving. You're doing great. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next English practice episode. Until then, keep going. You're closer than you think.